860.
You didn't? Oh, no. What'd you come home with?
Shit, I might have got 8.
8? Wait. You need some help.
I got it now.
Look at this weather. Oh my goodness. Camp Perry. All right. I thought we were going to get like another tornado warning or something. Messed up.
How'd it go for you, bud?
Oh man, great. You believe that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I let everybody else get pissed off about the weather, and I started having fun. That's when I started shooting the best, when the weather got crappy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You and me both.
My
Then.
slow fire was horrible. My slow fire match was utterly horrible. And after that, I kicked off and kicked it.
Cleaned all the rest of them.
I didn't clean them, but I shot them good.
All right. Went inside
And out.
You need to go practicing this. Standing there, practicing in this mess right here.
There you go.
That'll do it.
Okay. I think I'll start golfing.
Don't whip out on me.
Don't whip out. Whip out. All right. Give me a second.
What, honey?